Something for Bangalore boy.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಮೊದಲು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. They all love you. We all love you.
I love you, bro.
I love you too.
You guys don't know, we have a very common story. We both have lots of stories, and when we were sharing to each other, it was like such a brother moment. I found my brother in Karnataka. Brothers for life, everybody.
No, it's so inspiring. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? His story is inspiring. We were discussing the way he has come up in his life and the place where he is today. You know, everybody goes through struggle, everybody gets fame, but eventually what matters is the love. And above all, the respect. I think people love you and respect you. Keep flying, brother. Keep flying.
SSTV ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ.